And this time we are going to look at what we call uh, secondary sources of information. This is the outline. The secondary sources of information shall define, give examples, characteristics, advantages and disadvantages, reliabilities. By definition, uh, as we spoke about in primary sources where they are direct offer some information. This one here, the interpreted, analyzed, and summarized primary event is what we call a secondary source. It is only one step away from a primary source, and it gives a broader perspective on the primary event as well. It gives also physical insight into the primary data. Let's see the examples uh, books that were read. They need they have obtained the information from an event that has been occurred and been registered somewhere. And usually the history book, like maybe talking about the World War or the biographies. So we look at the journal articles, the research papers that analyze results of scientific experiment. Now we can see this. For them, they give a wider perspective and details in which in the experiment and the primary sources of information. Uh, Also, documentary like the videos, films that tell the story of a historical event also assists and review. Let's look at the characteristics. They are interpretative in such a way that uh, they involve some level of analysis and synthesis of primary data. They may just give explanation or give critics to the primary source they are from. Evaluative meaning they are able to give opinion and assessment based on the evidence that have been drawn from the primary sources of information, and it is just a summary of what happened in the first what happened as the first evidence was created, or the event the event of primary source. They can connect one, two, or three primary sources all together, and they are also contextual in nature that they increase the volume, they broaden the trend of the primary data. Let us see the advantages is that um, here history provide historians with historical analysis, interpretation of the historical events. This gives you a deeper view and understanding about what might have happened in the past, so that if one again wants to write further more details, can be best because it provides detailed scientific reviews. And as well, now let's see the disadvantages of the primary source. It may also involve misinterpretation because you are trying to learn according to information according to what you understand, which may be out of track. And biasness may be included because someone that is giving the interpretation primary source or writing a book and just decide to leave other contents out and it is not immediate. Is the reliability has the strength. This one here offers interpretation thus the clarity in meaning of the word of the primary source, but one step is removed from original events. Misinterpretation may introduce bias.